All right, let's take this off and see how I did. What's up, y'all? What's Papa locking, y'all? Just for you, we're gonna bring out these Flexi rides just for, cause I love y'all, and y'all obviously love when I do ride sets. So that's what we're doing in today's video. You excited? Okay, great. This is one tub of Flexi rods. Here's the other one. Let's just go smaller. Okay, not that small, not the yellow ones. The yellow ones is too small. Let me show y'all. All right, y'all see that difference? So yeah, the red is, you know, more that size. Actually, it's 3 different sizes, but that's okay. We are going to remove the yellow and stay within this size right here. All right, so y'all ready? Okay, great. Y'all can already guess what mousse I'm using. There's no surprise in this. I don't want you to be surprised. We're gonna bring out Light Body. That's what we're using on our hair today. Y'all, I'm doing this on hair that needs some help. This is blow dried hair, and I'm kind of going in bigger sections too, like slightly bigger sections. I do not want to be here all day. You bigger than what I put down? Hopefully. It's not hard putting them in for me. It's when I gotta sit under the dryer. I'm just being honest with you all. Can I do that? I hope so. Most of y'all know how I do my rod sets. I just do a slight twist at the root. You do not have to do this. I actually may need to do a video of me not doing that. It's just like a habit I've created, but you don't have to twist at all. You can roll up. I always try to keep space in between my hair and the rod. Nice little pattern. Y'all see that as I roll up. Okay. Just like that. You know, other people do the winding thing. Winding, whatever it's called. But it can kind of get confusing for some people. So if you don't know how to do that, do not force yourself to do that. I made my twist come undone. I did that too. Hold on. Let's start over. A little dirty in there, just ignore that. Look at that. That trim gonna be real nice, cause I need all that to go. Okay, all of it. Okay, Miss eyebrows itching. Just a little ways down. That's it. Then I use that here to go on top of it, making sure it's snug. Roll up a little bit, and then you can wind it like this. Wow, y'all didn't see none of that. Move. Then you can wind it going up. Sometimes too, you can wind too many times where it gets like too knotty and it's almost look like you're making a bantu knot shape. So do be mindful of that. Once again, place it, your ends nice and flat on there. Cover it up with the other hair, roll, and then turn to your side. I still like to twist one more time, but turn to your side and just make sure you're spacing this out gradually. Just nice and tight. Once again, we're laying it where the hair is on this side. You can hook onto that hair and stay in place. Okay. This is the dryer that I'm using. I got this from Target, but I linked it down below as well in my Amazon storefront. I used to have the golden hot white, the white one, hooded dryer, but I was at Target, saw it, so I bought this. You just take this out. Yeah. So everything's attached right here, and they have the plug right here. And then you just use this. I mean, I know a lot of people like the other attachment, but I don't like where you just attach it to your dryer, your handheld dryer. I like that this one can sit flat. I ain't gotta pay attention too close to what's going on. This one is made to sit flat and dry my hair. Just gotta take your time, not drop stuff. This one is way riskier because I hope that you didn't mess up what you just did. I like this better. All right, let's dry hair. Bye-bye. I haven't used this yet. I don't think I have. It's kind of just sitting. I believe my hair is dry. How long did I set in the dryer? My recommendation is at least an hour. And that's only because we started off on blown out hair. If your hair was wet, you sit under the dryer longer now. Don't be playing. Because, you know, depending on how long you, or how much product you put in, especially if you started on wet hair, you need to make sure. And the way I make sure is by testing like either one of my last, like my first piece and my last piece that I did. And that'll kind of help me know, like, okay, are we dry or not? But don't take down all the rods and you know it ain't dry. Once you do that. but I think it's gonna definitely get bigger over time. So I'm going to keep you updated on that. But definitely defined, definitely looking good, and we love to see that. So we're gonna see how this grows over time, and I'll let y'all know. Okay, because it's giving Jerry curl. Bring all this hair to the front. Okay. Up in the air. We're gonna do the same to the two on the sides. I'm also gonna grab the side curl. Usually I will leave it, but we're gonna take it and I'm gonna go one time and it's gonna be up in the air like that. Same thing on this side. Okay. You know, shout out to my husband in the future. Cause baby, this is nighttime routine. Get hit. Get with it. Don't go too high. Depending on your length, don't go too high. Because the goal is not to stretch out all of the curl that you just worked on, okay? So don't go too high up. Just a little bit up. Depending on your length. Okay, great. Okay, bye. See you in no morning. Alright, let's take this off and see how I did. If I had to pick, I do prefer perm rod sets. Alright. Then I just shake it. And it's not giving me the body that I'm looking for. This is not what I was supposed to give y'all. This is not giving, okay? So I'm going in, separating as much as I can. That's making me feel better. Okay, I feel better. I mean, I had to really work at it, and I could separate the back a little bit more. Yes, this is what we were looking for. But okay, cute. Like I said, I don't know what that shape is. I don't know what it's doing. This side is a little bit better. Good morning. Here's another day for you. We're gonna have to do the same thing we did yesterday. Separate some things. I tried to stretch this side more by going a little higher, but that didn't work. As you can still, you know, but that's okay. Alright. But y'all, I think we have come together for this. This looks really good. It has come alive. I was a little concerned, but we fluffed it, we separated it, fluffed it again, okay? Now we got some volume, got a little shape going on. We love to see it. Now this side's still shrinking just a little bit, but that's okay. But yeah, so this is 2 days later, you know, since I did my hair. And I've been fluffing it like crazy only because I needed volume then and there. So I would normally say don't go crazy with the volume so your hair can last. But let me know if y'all like this style. If you have perfected flexi rods or perm rods, let me know which rod set has your back. If none, I'm sorry. That's okay. Don't give up. Don't give in. Okay? All right, y'all. So as always, I thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Peace.